Steve.
Hey.
Haha. It's the night hike time. Ready?
All right, the night
We're doing
before
it.
the storm.
Yeah, exactly. The night before the storm. All right. We just stopped to put our spikes on, and lo and behold, one of mine just ripped off. So that's it now. Thankfully, I'll be using the snowshoes and not the spikes.
Use your left foot.
Yeah, I'll hop up there. So this is it. A little bit of snow and ice. It's nice out right now. Yeah. Can't see much. Oh, it's flowing. Yep. I don't see it, but I hear it. It's dark. That's where we're going, up that way. So, alright. I'm going to film a little bit going up, but it's just black, so you're not going to see much.
There we go. We miss everybody. We miss you, Mike. We miss
Mikey,
you, Bob.
yeah.
Happy St. Patty's Day.
Yeah, happy St. Patty's Day, guys.
Next year. Yeah. Or next month.
Yep. Can't really see too much. But we're going. It's dark up there. Well, it's like 2 miles because that was the first parking area. I'm gonna do a little road walking to the fire tower. Okay, get that. This Balsam Mt Lean to 0.5. I doubt that. Well, who knows? Could be right. But we're going up there. There's the moon. It's a beautiful night. Like 32 degrees right now, maybe. Calm before the storm.
Okay, got 3 out of 4 fingers.
Okay. Going up Balsam Mountain, and as you can see, it's ice. My micro spike broke. See it hanging there? As soon as I put them on at the trailhead. Well, it's enough to get me up here. And after tonight, I'm not going to need them anyway. It's going to be all snow, so I'll have the snowshoes on. But for now, whoa, I gotta get up this without dying here, sitting back. Alright, going up. Almost there, it's 11:15. Getting there.
Alright. We're at
Sorry for the light. We made it to the lean-to. It's like 11:15. Ah, there's Dave.
got me up here.
There he is.
We got our stuff over there, and we're gonna get that snow. It is a beautiful lean-to.
Yeah, it is nice. It's definitely clean.
Yeah.
There's my 30-something pound pack. That's disgusting. I carried that shovel up.
Full of stuff, but you never know. Got some gear, and starting to get a little windy out. And they're expecting about 8 inches of snow up here, maybe, in the next 12 hours, and some high winds. Yeah. And it doesn't move.
That's it.
Ooh.
It's coming from that way. We're going to get a direct hit in here.
3-307. We'll take some more pictures tomorrow. It's about 11:30 right now.
Okay, that's it. I'm inside the tent, all tucked in. Dave's right there. That's it. It is Almost 1 o'clock in the morning. Night. Alright, at Balsam Mt Lean too. It's coming down. It's just starting to snow. It's getting cold. So I'm going to just show you around real quick. We just took a walk over to the spring to get some water to fill up, so we're good for the night. It was close. If I need any more, I'll just boil some snow. There's plenty of it. Check this out. Do not pitch your tents in the shelter. We did it under these conditions because there's a bad storm coming. If somebody else comes in here, we gotta take them down and move them out. So it's coming, starting. That's what we got so far. Alright. It's gonna be cold too. Oh, good. Alright. Windburner's rocking. Ooh. That's pretty. Good storm in here. Ooh man, my hands are cold. This is how much room I have in here. There's my gaiters there. I got my pack right here against the wall, my rain jacket, gloves. My stove's right there. Windburner. I got my jacket right here. There's Dave.
I gotta get my phone out.
Here's how I got the bivy set up. I got all my whatever the stuff sacks are in that pocket over there. Pad. I got my down jacket and down pants at the head there. I got my food right there. My pillow, I love it. The pad, I love. Everything's good. Check this out. I don't know if you can tell. It snows in here. Everything's freezing and hitting that, but you know what? That's part of winter, and that's what I got. Kind of like a synthetic quilt, 0 degree here. Keep it in the bivy. I don't know. That's it. Apex booties. Yeah, it's windy out there.
Windy out there.
Crazy, crazy. That's it. That's it. Ooh. Alright. I'm good. It's chilly, but I'm good. Still got a long time to ride this out.
Alright, Joe. Joe and Dave's crazy adventure.
Yeah.
3, 4, 5. St. Patty's weekend.
St. Patty's weekend. Breaking trail down mountain. Got the snowshoes on. 8:30 in the morning. And that's it now. We got, you see the snowballs going. We got to find the trail and make it as we go. That's it for now. See you at the end. At the bottom, unless something good happens. Still breaking trail out. Nobody came up this morning. Still early. I'm sure somebody will be heading up to the fire tower or something. But this is work. Probably about 8 to 10 inches, maybe a foot in some places with drifts. And it's still cold out. Very cold, but we're good. Definitely get warm doing this, so I'll say I'm comfortable. Street? I don't know, but it is snowing again.
Snowing out.
We just came from there.
Snowing out. Snow's coming down. So we can start a new video clipping. Over here. Oh, shout out to AJ, Michael, and Raphael. Right?
Taking the trail this way. Got like a mile road walk through there.
We came from that way. We're on the way home. It was a wild weekend.